coming to football in Pidgin. Newcastle 0, Arsenal 2. And we don't use Oga Shola, where we confirm Arsenal fan. Make it tell us how you see the match. Oga Shola, how you see this one again?
Well, the game did very impressive for me because I really need the 3 points. You understand? I believe say it is not over until it's over. So I need the 3 points. Good game, good goals, and the team said they won't try their support where they play everything well to my satisfaction.
So what should they try to talk now be say Arsenal win this game and I think still win the league. Hope they.
Well, football, they say anything is possible until 90 minutes. You understand? Anything is possible until 90 minutes. Now, when 90 minutes reach, or when the league end, now we'll know who will truly carry the league.
So as you see the confirm and they give me now say on a still win the league now like this now. Who you feel say go fit stop Man City? They go make Arsenal win the league.
Well, in game of football, anything is possible. Sometimes some people they get bad day, some people they get good day. So probably I dey look Everton, you understand? First and foremost, man, you put Everton. Everton fit win because they fight for relegation. So that make me believe say Everton fit stop Man City.
For this match now we won, so who be your man of the match?
Now my captain Odegaard, I be man of the match because that guy impressed me. I be my man of the match.
Now, with the history of England, since guys are from, you can say any team when one win the league, must reach 100 points.
Yeah.
Even Liverpool, they lose only one game, they don't win the league.
Yeah.
And don't lose two now. You see sure son of win this league like this. When you say guys, what are they there?
You know, say now human being how they play the game. You understand? So now human being how they play the football. So now let me tell you, say anything is possible. You know, say last season, now the final day, now they take crown the winner because of the points and because of everything, but the goal tally. When Liverpool first they win, Liverpool they celebrate, say, yes, they don't carry the league. So you understand me? So now maybe see they emphasize, say, now final day, now go determine if the Man City get them or if the Arsenal and I go get them.
Jorginho later become bench for Chelsea. So when Chelsea even sell her, Chelsea fans will be happy say they don't pursue Jorginho finally. Just say Jorginho na impactful signing to Arsenal. Just say Jorginho make una win this league.
Well, that time when they signed Jorginho, I make one comment say Jorginho not be bad signing, but personally for me, not being I need. But the game time when I dey see with Jorginho, so Jorginho they try. He dey press me for the midfield. He not they lose guard. You understand? And somebody will be say, walk where the coach tell him, now be waiting they do. So to me, Jorginho na good signing to me.
Okay, now that's all that.